Let's talk about the basics of business analytics. First, learn what is statistics. Statistics is a form of mathematical analysis that uses quantified model, representation, and synopsis for a given set of experimental data or real-time studies. Statistics studies methodologies to gather, review, analyze, and draw conclusions from the data. Some essential statistical measurements are mean, median, mode, regression analysis, skewness, kurtosis, variance, analysis of variance, etc. What is business statistics? Business statistics takes the data analysis tool from elementary statistics and applied them to business. For example, if we want to estimate the probability of defect coming from a factory manufacturing line, we can use business statistics. What is analytics? Analytics is the scientific process of discovering and communicating the meaningful patterns which can be found in data. So business analytics actually deals with a huge number of data points, and statistics actually deals with minimum number of data points. So analytics actually concerned with turning raw data into insights for making better decisions. It is especially useful in areas which record a lot of data or information. What is business analytics? Business analytics is the iterative methodological exploration of an organization's data which and with emphasis on statistical analysis. Like business analytics is used by companies that are committed to making data-driven decisions. So we can say business analytics helps the company to make better decision using the data. Successful business analytics depends on data quality, skilled analyst who understand the technology and the business, and an organization commitment to use data to gain insights that inform business decisions. Let's learn about specific types of business analytics. There are mainly three types of analytical method: descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. I'll talk about it later. Let's learn some basic terms of statistics: variable, element, dataset, and observation. So what is dataset? The entire tabulation shows here is called a dataset. And what is element? So element is a particular point. Like New York is an element of the dataset. Florida is an element of the dataset. What is observation? 600 is the observation here. So the value that assigned to an element is called observation. 600 is an observation for New York. 400 is an observation for Florida. And what is variable? Here the variable is number of gifted students. The entire column is called variable. Let's learn it in a better way. Dataset. The information given in the table is a dataset. It is just a collection of data, usually organized with a table. What is element? Each of the states listed in the table is an element or member of sample. For example, New York is a member or element of a sample. What is observation? The value assigned to only one element is called observation. For example, 600 is assigned to New York, so 600 is an observation. What is variable? Anything that can take on or different values called variable. Therefore, the number of gifted students in the data table is called variable. Next is evolution of business analytics. Business analytics evolution talks about four methods: descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. Let's learn what is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics actually talks about what happened in past. So descriptive analytics deals with the historical data. It analyzes the historical data and come to a conclusion how a company was performing in the past. Diagnostic analytics, it analyzes why the particular thing happened, the reason behind a particular thing of happening of a particular thing. Next, predictive analytics. Predictive analytics helps in understanding what will happen in future. So if we use historical data to analyze the past performance of the company, from the past performance we can predict the future performance of the company also. So that is predictive analytics. Prescriptive analytics talks about how can we make the analytics method in a better way. It actually talks about which among the two methods, descriptive and predictive, which method is applicable for the company to analyze the performance. Next is the future of business analytics. The future of business analytics mainly deal with the real-time analytics. The real-time analytics actually collect the data and report in a moment or in real time. The sales example of this is the sales figure of an e-commerce company. Uh, Next is big data. Big data actually deals with huge chunks of historical data. It actually helps in understanding the descriptive analytics. Predictive analytics, based on the past trend, predictive analytics took to big data collected over the time and predict the future. So it actually analyzes the big data and helps in predicting the future. Automated analytics. Automated analytics are analytics that ultimately require very few or zero manual input. Data is automatically analyzed in ways the optimized business system. Let's talk about business analytics framework. Business analytics framework talks about 4 steps: idea, analysis, decision, and execution. So in idea stage, we actually frame the problem and our objective. In analysis step, we actually get the data and analyze those to get particular output. In decision making step, from the output, we make particular decision. And execution stage, we actually apply the decision in a real life. Thank you.